everyone. Welcome back to Royal Cyber Adobe Series. Today we are diving into the world of AEM Co-Pilot. So first of all, let's talk about its architecture. So AEM Co-Pilot is seamlessly integrated into Adobe Experience Manager, leveraging its existing infrastructure, and it also harnesses the power of OpenAI to supercharge your content creation process. AEM Copilot is all about making your life easier when it comes to creating content. So let's talk about its features. First feature is content suggestion. So it analyzes data and user needs to offer tailored suggestion for your content, whether it's a text or images. Another feature is content generation. So if you need help in writing, AEM Copilot has your back, providing ideas, suggestions, and even complete piece of content. Then another feature is language understanding. So it collaborates with OpenAI to deeply understand language, ensuring its suggestions are accurate and relevant. Then another feature is text correction and summarization. So no more typos or long-winded paragraph. AM Copilots acts as your proofreader and summarizer, ensuring your content is On point. AM Copilot isn't just a fancy tool; it's a game changer. So let's talk about its use cases. First one is efficient content creation. So say goodbye to writer block. AM Copilot streamlines the content creation process, helping you to produce high quality content in less time. Another one is content optimization. So it's like having a personal editor, suggesting improvements and ensuring your content is top notch. AM Copilot isn't just about making your job easier, it's about making you better at it. So let's talk about its benefit. First benefit is increased productivity. So by automating tedious tasks and providing real-time assistance, AM Copilot supercharge your productivity. Another benefit is improved content quality. So with its intelligence suggestions and language understanding capabilities, AM Copilot helps you to create content that truly shines. Another benefit is time savings. So no more wasted hours staring at a blank page. AM Copilot helps you to get stuff done faster so you can focus on what matters. Another benefit is accessible content creation. So whether you are a pro or newbie, AM Copilot makes content creation accessible to everyone. So that's all about AM Copilot. Thanks for watching and be sure to stay tuned for our next videos.